Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to Idhant IIT Academy. Today, our lecture Symbols of Elements. We know there are more than 110 elements in chemistry. More than 110 elements known today in chemistry. So, now we are going to discuss symbols of those elements. See, what is symbol first? Symbol, it is a short form of an element assigned to it. Short form. You know, short form means what? For example, your favorite hero. For example, Chiranjeevi. How you called in short form? Chiranjeevi. Chiru. Chiru. For suppose your favorite hero Venkatesh. How you called in short form? Venki. Venki. For suppose your favorite hero Balakrishna, how you called? Balu. For suppose your favorite hero Nagarjuna, how you called in short form? Nag. Okay. For suppose your name is Hema Varshini. Hema Varshini. In short form, how you called? Like Hema or Varshini. Okay. For suppose one boy name is Bhanu Prakash, how you called? Bhanu or Prakash. Like that, for elements also there are some short forms known as what? Symbol. So what is symbol? Symbol is it is a short form of an element assigned to it, like names. Okay. So for in chemical elements also there are some symbols assigned to it, short form. Okay, let us discuss short form of elements assigned to it. Okay, first one, it is unique. It is unique means one symbol is assigned to for particular element only. That is not the symbol for any other element. For example, hydrogen. What is the symbol of hydrogen? H. So this is the symbol of hydrogen element only. Hydrogen element only. And this is not a symbol of any other element. That's why unique. Symbol. It is unique. That means it is not symbol for any other elements. So each and every symbol is unique. That means that is assigned to some particular element only. For example, hydrogen. Symbol H. This is the symbol for hydrogen element only, but not any other element. H symbol indicates hydrogen element. Carbon, C. This is the symbol for carbon element. Sodium, Na. This is the symbol for sodium, not any other element. Okay, so let us discuss symbols of some elements. Okay, for some symbols, first letter is taken as symbol. For some elements, first letter is taken as symbol. Okay, for example, hydrogen. What is the symbol for hydrogen? First letter what? H. So that's why symbol what? H. Carbon. Here first letter C. So symbol C. Carbon. Nitrogen. First letter N. So symbol nitrogen. N. Oxygen. First letter O. So symbol O. Fluorine. First letter F, fluorine. Sulfur, sulfur, first letter S, S. Okay na? So for some elements, first letter is taken as symbol. Example, hydrogen, first letter H, symbol H. Carbon, first letter C, symbol C. Nitrogen, first letter N, symbol N. Oxygen, first letter O, symbol O. Fluorine, first letter F, symbol F. Sulfur, first letter S, symbol S. So for some elements, first letter is taken as symbol. Some elements. Okay na? Next, for suppose two or more than two elements starts with same letter, then two letters taken as symbol. For example, if two or more elements starts with same letter, then second letter or prominent letter, that means important in the name, in that complete name. Prominent means important letter. Okay, add to the first letter. If two or more elements starts with same letter, then second letter or prominent letter add to the first letter. For example, see this: carbon, calcium, cadmium, all are starts with C letter, C. But already we discussed each and every symbol. So for carbon symbol C, first letter taken as symbol carbon, but C not represent calcium and cadmium. Why? Because each and every symbol is unique. So this is the symbol for only carbon, not for cadmium, calcium. Even though they starts with C, here also starts with C. Then how we can take to the first letter? Here what is the first letter? C. Here what is the first letter? C. Second letter A, calcium. Here prominent letter, that means important, here CD. Second letter or prominent letter taken as symbol. Okay, but for calcium, cadmium, don't use symbol CC. Why? Because already C is the symbol for carbon. That's why we can't use for any other element. Carbon is symbol for carbon. So don't use same C letter for any other element, because each and every symbol is unique. Got it? So for if two or more elements starts with same letter, then second letter or prominent letter, that means important letter. Okay, prominent letter, important letter. So taken as what? Taken as symbol. Prominent letter add to the first letter, taken as symbol. Got it? That is, for example, carbon, calcium, cadmium. C, it is the symbol for carbon, and calcium, cadmium, this is the symbol for calcium, symbol Ca, cadmium Cd. Okay now? Got it? Understood? Okay. If two or more elements starts with same letter, carbon, here C, first letter, already C represent carbon element. Even though calcium and cadmium starts with C, don't use again C. For those elements, second letter or prominent letter add to the first letter. First letter C, second letter A, or any prominent letter, important letter in that element, CD. Okay, so Ca calcium, CD cadmium. Symbol of calcium Ca, symbol of cadmium Cd. Some more examples. Phosphorus, palladium, platinum, okay na? C. All letters starts with P, but P is assigned to phosphorus only. Phosphorus, P symbol is assigned to phosphorus, but not palladium, not for platinum. Then how we can decide the symbol for this? Palladium, Pd. Palladium symbol, prominent letter. Platinum, Pa, Pt. Platinum, Pt. Palladium, Pd. Got it? So in this way we can written as symbols. Got it? P represents phosphorus, Pd palladium, Pt platinum. Got it? See, one more. Boron, barium, both elements starts with B. B is the symbol for boron only. B is the symbol for boron. Barium, Ba, second letter. Okay, here one important thing, if an element two letters has a symbol, then first letter must be capital, second letter must be small. For example, calcium, Ca, first letter capital letter, second letter small letter, but don't write like this. If you write like, then wrong. If an element has two letters as symbol, okay, then first letter should be capital letter, second letter should be small letter. Okay na? Palladium, Pd, capital letter or small letter, but not Pd. Wrong. Got it? Okay, next one. For suppose barium, Ba, barium, but not Ba, or but not Ba. Both representation wrong. Okay now, first letter must be capital, second letter should be small letter. Suppose you write like this, first letter small, second letter capital. This is also wrong. Barium, first letter capital, second letter small letter. If an element has two letters as a symbol, then first letter should be capital, second letter should be small. Okay now? So once again I repeat, for some elements first letter is taken as symbol. For example, what? Hydrogen H, carbon C, boron B, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, okay, sulfur S, phosphorus P. But some elements starts with two or more than two elements starts with same letter, then how we can take symbol? Second letter or any prominent letter add to the first letter. Okay, for example, carbon, calcium, cadmium all starts with C, but C is the symbol for only carbon but not calcium, cadmium, even though they starts with C. Then how we can write the symbol? So Ca is assigned symbol for what? Calcium. Cd is assigned symbol for what? Cadmium. Okay na? Phosphorus, palladium, platinum. Phosphorus P is the symbol for what? P is assigned to for phosphorus only. Palladium Pd, platinum Pt. Got it? So if an element has two letters as symbol, then what we can do? First letter capital, second letter must be small. Okay, next one.